This demonstration shows you how to create security profile groups and attach them to security policy rules. To simplify security policy rule configuration and maintenance, you should create and use at least 3 security profile groups named outbound, inbound, and internal. Collect all your outbound security profiles into the outbound group, inbound security profiles into the inbound group, and internal security profiles into the internal group. If you configured your security profiles according to day one best practices, then these security profile group configurations will detect, block, and log threats. This configuration provides a good, secure starting point for your firewall configuration. To configure a security profile group, we'll browse to Objects, Security Profile Groups. To save time in the demonstration, the outbound and internal security profile groups have already been created. We'll demonstrate how to create a new group by configuring the inbound security profile group. We'll begin by clicking Add. First, because we already have the outbound and internal groups, we'll name this group Inbound. Then we'll add the appropriate inbound security profiles to the group. We'll add the inbound AV antivirus profile, the inbound AS anti-spyware profile, and the inbound VP vulnerability protection profile. Because the best practice inbound security profile group does not specify a URL filtering profile, we have not created one, and we will not attach one to this profile group. We'll just skip it. Then we'll finish by attaching our inbound FB file blocking profile. We'll attach our inbound DF data filtering profile, and we'll attach our inbound WF wildfire analysis profile. We'll finish by clicking OK. Notice that we now have a complete set of outbound, internal, and inbound security profile groups. After you have created your security profile groups, you need to attach them to your security policy rules that allow traffic. Rules that block or deny traffic do not have attached security profiles or security profile groups because they drop traffic rather than inspect it for malicious content or behaviors. To attach our security profile groups to our security policy rules, we'll browse to Policies and Security. To save some time in the demonstration, security profile groups have already been attached to most of the policy rules. For example, the Allow My Custom App rule down here has an attached security profile group named Internal. Why? Because this particular rule controls internal traffic, whereas the Allow Google rule up here has an attached security profile group named Outbound because it controls outbound traffic. Notice the outside the FTP rule shown here. This is an inbound security policy rule. And currently it does not have any security profile or security profile group attached to it. We'll click None to add one now. For the profile type, we'll select Group, and then we can select our inbound group name. Now notice that rather than select Group, we could have select Profiles and individually added one or more security profiles to the rule. While this is flexible and powerful, it is also more labor intensive. So we'll just switch back to Group, attach our inbound group, which has a set of inbound profiles associated with it, and click OK to save our configuration. Notice that the rule now displays the icon for a profile group, and in this case it is our inbound profile group. This concludes our demonstration of of creating security profile groups and attaching them to security policy rules.